feel Trump can use or will use this mandate to stop wars?
Yeah, very, very important. Look, American people have given him the mandate to stop wars. Because the wars, the past 21st century wars, all wars have been in which US was actively involved. Afghan war, Iraq war, etc. And that is why the economy went down, number one. Number two, during this period, when America was so busy in actual wars, China was quietly rising. And now if anybody says China is rising, I don't agree, because China has already risen. Okay, so now all Donald Trump needs to do now is to immediately launch his peace plan, stop wars everywhere in Europe as well as Middle East. And you would notice that for the Middle East wars, especially, he went to Michigan, where there are a lot of Arabs and Muslims, and they all endorsed him.
Yes.
And
Two mayors have endorsed him.
And they sought promise from him that you will help us stop genocide in Gaza. And he said, yes, I will. And about Ukraine war, he has already said that on day one, I will stop the war. How would he stop the war? He would stop funding. And he has been very vocal about funding to Zelensky. So we have to keep our hopes alive.
Exactly.
Because,
I think this is the time when our hopes are alive because
where the Biden administration, which is the worst administration of 21st century and perhaps prior also, has taken the word close to World War III.
This is what Donald Trump also said.
We are already in 2.5. We are already at World War 2.5, where 40% world's population is facing either wars or conflict. So if Trump does not stop here, we will enter into World War III. So he has no choice. He has to fulfill his promises because Americans have voted him to do this job, and the rest of the world is hoping that he should do this job.
Okay, so let's see.